Hey guys, Joe with Carmel Karate here. Well, today I'm working on a 97 GMC Sierra. Join me as we clean this up and install a new remote start. We already got the dash apart. And underneath here you can see a lot of T-taps, a lot of wires that just aren't taped up. It's not bad, it works, but let's spruce it up a little bit. Let's make it look cleaner. Let's pull this old unit out and get this on a roll. As you can see, I went ahead and pulled everything out. I still need to do some cleanup. This is the old unit here. Let's tear this apart, try and see if those relays are still good, see if the module. Let's get this cleaned up. Okay, and here's everything that we pulled out. Here's the old unit and bypass module. Those modules were bad. I did test them. The only things that are good are these relays, which we will actually use for the new install. We got the new module, we kept the relays, we got the new harness and remotes and antenna. Alright, now that we've got the pre-wire done, relays hooked up, antenna ran, and the reason why we zip tie it is if they want to ever change the antenna on this to a two-way, we don't have to untape all of this and destroy the tidiness that we've created. So all we can do is just cut the zip tie, install the new unit, and we're good. So since it's pre-wired, let's go ahead and get it over to the car and get this installed. Alright guys, so the camera died and I do apologize about that. I did clean up the rest of it here, the brake, the locks, and even their trailer brake over here. I didn't have to, but I figured it'd be nice and just try and clean up a little bit better than what it was. Showing you what it was and what it is now. A little bit better, not as noticeable, clean, no T-taps, better connections. Overall, just a cleaner sight when you look down here, and there's not a big giant's nest underneath here. Alright, got it all cleaned up, ready to go. We're gonna hit lock. Hold the remote start button, 3 to 5 seconds. Alright. There you go, vehicle's ready. See you next time.